Hi friends, here I am starting wordpress.org. We are going to start WordPress site development or blog development. So here I am downloading the package by clicking this get WordPress, and very simple, just click it and download WordPress 5.5.3 option is here. This is for Unix, so we are not choosing this one, we are choosing this one, download WordPress 5.5.3. downloaded. You can see this one is ready. Copy this or cut this and paste it into your folder. So here I am pasting it in my folder. I am pasting already there. So overwriting. Now I require server, XAMPP server. Instead of WAMP, you can take WAMP also. Here it is WAMP server, but I prefer XAMPP because sometimes there is some problem with WAMP. So I am suggesting you take XAMPP. So download XAMPP. What is the full form of WAMP? Window, Apache, MySQL and PHP. Apache, MySQL, PHP and W for window. And what is the full form for XAMPP? It is developed for cross platform, so it will work for Windows and Linux everywhere. Apache, MySQL, PHP. So I am downloading XAMPP. XAMPP available over here. Download, click here. So download for XAMPP for Windows. Starting download. It is started. Yes, it is now. It is finished. Yesterday I downloaded this one. So some latest version is also available of XAMPP. You can find it and you can download it. Again I am pasting it into my folder. I do not require WAMP. I am deleting. Now I will check whether pre-installed XAMPP is there or not. So I will check whether XAMPP is there or not. Here we don't have a XAMPP installation available. So first of all I will start XAMPP installation. We are starting installation, so right click this and run as administrator. Yes, so it will take 2-3 minutes in installation. Okay, just press next, and all these options by default they are checked. So just click next, and on the C drive we are installing the server, XAMPP server, so that we can run our websites using that server. Actually it requires web server. On the website, for running website we require web server hosting hota hai, and then we can run our website on the internet. But right now we are installing the server in our PC, so this server will run our website locally in our computer. So that is the same thing. Instead of running on the server, we are running it where we will run our website in this computer. So let's check. Next, unpacking the files, so it will take 2-3 minutes. Just wait. In your PC it may be 5 minutes, 10 minutes it will take. This is the i7 16 GB RAM SSD hard disk, so that will, it is faster than your PC maybe. So here we can see setup is going on, and then after that what we will have to do, after this we will configure and we will check whether it is installed properly or not. So we will get one icon, XAMPP, on the desktop. So this icon we can see, XAMPP icon. Setup is finishing. Okay, then finish. Now here you can see in taskbar XAMPP will be there, and we can start Apache. Here we should, how we are getting this, let's see. On clicking the XAMPP icon, here we are getting not available XAMPP icon, so we will find XAMPP. Yeah, so XAMPP control panel, we can click this and we are getting this control panel, and we can start it. MySQL for database, Apache server, it's a server, and MySQL database. These two things we will start. No need to start these three things, and you can go to start your website. So before this I will stop my internet. Now I am running my servers, so I am not using internet. So first of all I will stop my internet, so that 8080 port will be free. So now locally I am running the website, so I will check it by writing localhost only. So localhost dashboard is available here, localhost dashboard, and you can read all this thing. I will type php myadmin, localhost php myadmin, and here I will create one database. So create, where is create, new one, database name, my name is Priyank Doshi, so I am writing pd underscore wp WordPress. So my database name is pd underscore wp, do not bus just itna hi, and then just that's it, create. Okay, pd underscore wp, रिमेंबर, याद रखना पड़ेगा इसको, आगे इसका काम आएगा. तो डेटाबेस, हमारी जो वर्डप्रेस का डेटा है वो कहाँ पे सेव होगा, हमारा वर्डप्रेस का डेटा यहाँ पर सेव होगा. देन व्हाट वी विल डू, we will go to the WordPress folder. Our WordPress folder is available in my folder. I have saved it, PDD folder. WordPress already downloaded. I am just copying it and going to C, and there is XAMPP. Remember htdocs, this is the htdocs, and here I am pasting it. Now I will start the configuration. First of all, what I will check, localhost, and what is the folder name, WordPress. So WordPress, taking outside this, I don't want this name 5.5.3, just I want WordPress. ओके, इतना होने के बाद हमें यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, वर्डप्रेस. तो लोकल होस्ट डैशबोर्ड देगा, यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हो वर्डप्रेस. तो ये वर्डप्रेस का इंस्टॉलेशन शुरू हो रहा है. ठीक है.